MIB, with this new program, aims to a different target market that is much higher in terms of average education and in terms of challenges that they have to face. This target market is basically scientists that have sound intellectual property and patents developed in new technologies that can really impact the kind of products that we can produce and solutions that companies can offer to the market. These class of technologies, mainly coming from engineering, medicine, physics, electronics, are called deep tech. These deep tech startups are at the moment the most promising startups in the world, and we partnered with the most important venture capital fund in Italy that focuses on deep tech investments to develop this program. The program started for the first time in 2020 with 32 participants, and we leveraged our experience of 30 years in MBAs and 20 years in executive MBAs to develop this new kind of mechanism of training for higher education students. In the class there are 19 out of 32 PhD. 2 of them are professors at university, the others are all postdoc and entrepreneurs that started their deep tech startups. And of these, 16 are really still working also in research. The other 16 are instead already working in companies. The ones that work in companies are 3 real startuppers with actually entrepreneurs, because they already did the startup a few years ago and now they are scaling up their companies. And the others are really coming from large and medium corporations that face the challenge of digital transformation and data-driven transformation. So corporations that want to learn how to handle organization and strategy in times of VUCA environment, very volatile and ambiguous situations in which you really cannot really plan. You have to learn to experiment and to delegate, empower teams and experts by giving them data as well as power, as well as competencies. So they're investing in the competencies of their management to increase the ability and the agility of their company to adapt to the environment, and sometimes to anticipate the environmental changes and the market changes before their competitors. So this is a program, an executive MBA program, that is out of the pack of the other executive MBAs, because we stress very much the entrepreneurial mindset. Also for managers that will have to take risks, will have to develop their own visions, to understand technology and to see what technology can do for the actual business model or could create for new business models that will give viability and sustainability to the companies in which they work for.